in terms of the compliance with all those laws, the companies will need to definitely, reconcile all those regulations, right? So think about NIS2, AI Act, GDPR, but also the Cyber Resilience Act that entered into force in December 2024, and it will apply from 2027. It will impose additional requirements on products that contain a digital component. Manufacturers will need to design, develop, and produce products with essential cybersecurity requirements. So that will be applicability of that. Also, in terms of the AI literacy requirement that's coming into force in February, the EUA Act requirement, the companies will need to definitely refine their training programs to ensure that they're strong and robust and their employees understand the benefits and harms of AI.
And AI literacy is going to be really important too, isn't it? And so, also, you see data mapping and scoping here, and you're like, well, that, we're doing that under GDPR, but also take another look at, the work that you've done to comply with GDPR around data mapping. It's going to be critical and complying with all these laws, understanding, what systems are, using AI and what, processes are AI is helping with, but also with the Data Act, knowing what data you have, including the metadata generated by connected products, and where that data is going to be key in responding to access requests under the Data Act. And then also, as these laws are applicable, you need to have a process for regularly reviewing your policies and procedures and third-party contracts to ensure your organization is able to meet these evolving requirements.